How to create a locals account. Make sure you're on locals.com. Scroll a bit down and you'll see the sign up button in the top right. Let's click that and click sign up with Rumble. Now, if you have a Rumble account, you can just type in your credentials and sign in. Now that you've typed in your data, let's click next. Create your password. They've emailed me a code, so I'm gonna go to Gmail. Let's copy the code that they've sent me. Let's paste it. Let's click approve and click continue. Continue again. We can also upload a photo. Let's continue. Let's choose some topics here that I'm interested in and click finish. That's how to create an account in Locals. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.